Guys, I've got some bad news for the motocross community. I'm hearing that Cooper, Webb, and KTM are done. We announced a couple days ago that Cooper is signed with Yamaha. Everybody thought this was going to happen more than likely anyway, and it did. But I assumed he would finish out the outdoor season for KTM. I almost didn't believe that relations had soured or whatever was happening until I saw this from Slaw Dog over at Verb Moto just a minute ago. Cooper Webb to miss the RedBud National. And this says that he's missing the National because of a practice crash suffered earlier in the week. But I'm calling BS. There's something that's happened here, I think. Maybe it was a practice crash or whatever, but either way, from what I'm hearing, it's done. It's over. He's not going to ride the rest of the Nationals, from what I understand. And the next time we see him, will probably be on a Yamaha. This is kind of a bummer. I can't wait to hear more. But we can wait and see. What do you guys think?